Hello. Hi, I'm Jordan, and I wanted to say we are going to make a snail today. I just wanted to do this little clay demonstration on how to do it because I'm making a war series. Hello. Now, these are the colors I'm using for the green for the snail's skin and the blue for the snail's shell. So yeah, you're gonna see me working with this and stuff like that. So yeah, because I'm thinking about doing something with my friends, like making, what is it called? Like a little war thing where like a tribe of, say, snails and a tribe of, say, cows and a tribe of, say, pigs go together and do war. Because, I don't know, I just like making little war stop-down motion things. So, yeah. First, we are going to be making the shell of it first. So, yeah. That is like the first snail I ever made out of this Model Magic Clay. By the way, I really recommend Model Magic. That is what I'm working with. So, yeah. I hope you like this tutorial. And I'm just getting a little ball, and you can choose whatever types of colors you want. And I think that's a little too big. Yeah, that's a little too big. I'm just ripping that off. Now, yeah. I hope you like this tutorial, and yeah, that's good. And now we're just making it like long. Well, not that, a little longer. And yes, that is good. So, okay, apparently I want to make it longer. Okay, so now I'm just going to roll it like that to make the shell of the snail. So, yeah. And as you can see, I'm walking the green clay so I can make the skin of the snail. Instead of purple, I'm using green, as you can tell. Yeah. I'm just ripping some of that off. I have no clue if I'm going to use that big piece. Okay, so, yeah. And now I'm just making it into like a line, like how I did the other thing. And now you're going to kind of make it like a little L shape, kind of like that. Kind of looks like a foot. By the way, if you want the like end of it, you may want to put it like on the bottom of the snail. Yeah. Yeah, that's why I just did that with my hands. Put that, yeah. So, yeah. Just kidding. We are back. And now I am going to be getting some black clay, and I am also going to be getting white clay. So yeah, let me just get that, and I will be showing you what I'm going to make next. Oh, we are going to make eyes next, apparently. So, yep. And for the snail, you want to put like some green like lines on the top of it. I don't know what they're called, but they're so I could put eyes on them. So yeah, like how I'm doing right there. And yeah, I know I just got that out of the camera. I don't know why. And you gotta put 2 of those. So yeah. And by the way, that's where you're going to put the eyes. I bet you already know that, but I don't know why. I just had to say that. Yeah. You can leave them out like how I did for that like split second, but I like to make them close together. So, yeah. I did that. And you want to make the bottom flat so it can like stay because it's like a little figurine. So, yep. Now, I am going to be making the eyes. Ooh, and I have some black clay under my fingernail. Really? Totally mature. Okay, yeah, I just put that down there, and now I'm just going to get some white for the eyes and black for the pupils. So, yeah. Yep. Okay, so, by the way, I was here, I was just being quiet and seeing this. So, yeah. That's how I'm doing it. I just took a little bit off because I thought it was too big, and now I'm just going to rip that apart. And now I'm just going to put that there, and those, I know, are ginormous eyes. But they still look cute. So, yeah. So, yeah, this war thing I'm making, I'm going to be making it with my homemade characters that I'm making, and I'm making it with my friends. So, yeah. I'm just making 2 little pupils out of black clay, and by the way, you can use any colors that you want. I just choose these. And then I did this pupil, and I think I named him Slimy. So yeah, I think he's pretty cute. So now we're gonna do the mouth, as you can see, and the mouth is super easy. So yeah. And why didn't I get it rolling? Okay, yeah, I did. Because the rolling part is so interesting. Yeah, I was being sarcastic. Yep, got that. Putting that on there. There you go. And now you're going to put like the little white rim on the bottom of the snail. So yeah, I'm just doing that. And if it looks sparkly, it's because I mixed some sparkly Model Magic Clay with some non-sparkly Model Magic Clay. Why can't I speak today? So yeah, you want to do that. Maybe you want to make it longer, because I just had to like stretch it a little bit to make it go around. See, I kind of had to stretch. And there you go. So, yeah. That's Slimy the Snail. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe, and leave a comment down below if this was helpful at all.